Welcome my YouTube channel. The 2025 Lamborghini marks a new chapter in automotive excellence. With groundbreaking hybrid technology, aggressive design, and unparalleled performance, this is the ultimate luxury supercar for the modern driver. Exterior sculpted for speed and style, the exterior features bold, angular lines, a wide front grille, and signature Y-shaped LED headlights. Lightweight forged wheels and an active rear spoiler enhance both its aesthetics and aerodynamic performance, while the sleek curves ensure a low drag profile for maximum stability. Performance equipped with a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful V10 engine and electric motors, the 2025 Lamborghini delivers a staggering 1,200 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and offers cutting-edge handling with advanced suspension systems and intelligent all-wheel drive for unmatched performance on any terrain. Interior inside, the cockpit is a blend of luxury and tech, featuring handcrafted leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The digital interface puts everything at your fingertips, from customizable performance metrics to the latest infotainment features, creating an immersive driving experience. Price: the 2025 Lamborghini starts at approximately $300,000, a premium investment for those seeking the pinnacle of performance and luxury. Safety is a priority with advanced driver assistance systems, including collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and an integrated stability control system that ensures confidence on the road, even at high speeds. Overall, the 2025 Lamborghini is a masterpiece of design, performance, and technology, pushing the boundaries of what a supercar can achieve. It's the ultimate driving experience for those who demand perfection in every aspect.